Make 3 rectangles of size 10 into 8. Now we have to make T-shaped structure. For that, keep 2 inches gap margin from both the sides and make a T shape. Now paste the small cuttings on the whole rectangle piece. According to the size of T shape, you have to draw a U shape in the third part. Now paste this U shape over this. Insert the T-shaped cardboard inside it. Now measure the extra part and cut it out. Secure both the edges using the rubber band. Now it's ready to play. Place a coin at the center and pull it out.
Very nice.
Important point to remember is use a good quality or a harder one cardboard, because the soft one get distorted after a few plays.